welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle. I am a licensed hairstylist with 20 plus years of experience. And on this channel, I use that 20 plus years of experience to help you have healthy, happy hair. So today's video is going to be really casual. I'm really excited. It's going to be like a haul or a mini haul. I don't know what you want to call it, but I picked up some new things to try and I'm really excited to show you, and I'm excited to start playing around with these. And there will be some videos coming up where I use these. So let's just go ahead and get started. So this video is not super long. First, I got some things from Bounce Curl, and I just picked up their two stylers that really have been interesting me for a while. I've seen these on YouTube, a lot of YouTubers and Instagram. Like, this stuff has been all over the place. And so I picked up the styler pack. These two came in, and I can't remember the cost of what they were. I will either put it on the screen or in the description box down below, but I think it was like $38 for the two of these. And so I got the avocado and rose oil clump and define cream. And then I got the light hold cream gel. So I'm really looking forward to trying those and seeing how those worked out. And then Curlsmith was having a Black Friday sale, so I might have gone a little bit nuts. So I got a couple of things that I wanted to get there. And I wanted to try a little bit of everything. Honestly, I could have bought the whole website, but my budget can't allow that. So I just bought a few different things to start with. And I wanted to try one of their shampoos. I thought about maybe getting like the cleansing conditioner on there, but I have a couple of cleansing conditioners and I really wanted to just give one of their shampoos a try. So I have the Vivid Tones Vibrancy shampoo, and then I have the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask. So the reason why I got this is I wanted to try one of their conditioners, but rather than just try like a regular rinse out conditioner, I wanted to try a hair mask. I only have one at the moment that I use pretty consistently, and it's a Wee Dod one, and I do like that, but I wanted to try a couple of more. I have used different masks over the years, but that's the one that I've been using lately and been getting great results. And I wanted to try this, and the reason why this stuck out to me is because it says that it can be used on the scalp to also help soothe the scalp. And lately my skin has been so dry, which is weird because I'm an oily skin person, and yet all of my skin is dry. Like, I have dry flakies on my face. I have dry flakies on my scalp, which I normally don't have. I am just itchy and just dry everywhere. And I don't know if it's because of the winter or what. I mean, I do live in a dry climate, so that part of it doesn't change a whole lot through the seasons. We're just always dry, but I don't know what the deal is. All I know is that my skin is parched. So I thought I'd give that a try on my scalp and my hair and see how that works. And then another thing that I was interested in trying was the Weightless Air Dry cream, which I believe this is just a leave-in conditioner. I don't know that it's a leave-in conditioner for all hair types, it says. So this isn't necessarily a style. So I thought I would try this when I do one of my naked curl days, which is where I basically just wash it, condition it, throw a leave-in conditioner on. I even like wrap it up in a turban, a microfiber turban, for a few minutes to absorb most of the water, let it come out of there, and then I just let it air dry for the rest of the day. And because I'm not putting a lot of stuff in it, and because I wrap it up in the towel for a little bit, it absorbs a lot of the water, so it doesn't take nearly as long to air dry as if I were to like go through my full styling routine, which I tend to do with my hair really wet, not soaking, dripping on the floor wet, but pretty wet. So I think this would be a great thing to try when I do one of my naked curl days, and I will probably either put that up, post the results of that on Instagram, or maybe even do a video on that and show you what that looks like. But anyway, so I got that. I wanted to try the curl conditioning oil and cream. So I do have coarse, thick hair, and my hair tends to do pretty okay with thick, heavy products, and this one seemed to be pretty thick. And it smells really good, really thick. So this is really thick, and I just wanted to see what kind of hydration I could get out of this and what it would do with my hair, and I was just curious about this whole thing. So I did get that just because I'm not really too worried about my hair getting weighed down. And then I got two different stylers. I have the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, which I think I might. Normally I don't like soft hold stylers at all because I don't get enough longevity out of them and they don't survive the diffusing process all that well. But I may give this one a try as a single styler. I don't know yet. It might even be good for like kind of a lazy curl day where I just throw it in there, let it air dry, and I only have the one product in there, and then it's not weighed down, like maybe something to do before I know I'm gonna color it or do a Olaplex treatment. So I don't know, but I'm gonna be trying this out with probably one of the leave-ins, and then I will probably most likely combine these two just to see how they work together. And the other one is the in-shower style fixer. And this one is apparently their hardest hold one with a really hard cast. If you've seen any of my other videos, you will have heard me say that I really enjoy a hard cast. I like really strong hold gels. So I am looking forward to trying this. I think this one is a fairly, yeah, it's a pretty thick gel. You can kind of see it there. I normally like more watery gels, but when they're thick like that and I'm trying to distribute them through my hair, typically what I do is I just add a little water to my hand and mix the gel in with the water just to help distribute it, or make sure that my hair is very soaking wet to put it on there, which it does say to do. So both of those things basically do the same thing. They're just adding water to help distribute it a little bit more, whether it's on your hair or in your hand and you mix it together. Really doesn't matter. It's gonna do the same thing. It just slightly dilutes it a little bit and makes it easier to distribute. So that is my mini haul, and I am looking forward to trying all of these things and letting you know what I think about them, letting you know if they're worth the money for them, and what my thoughts are. Like I said, my scalp is probably most excited to be trying the Hydro Creme Soothing Mask because right now, all of my skin could use a little bit of soothing. And on that note, with my skin needing a lot of soothing, I did also put in an order with Sephora. I got the hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary, which I'm also gonna try and put, on my face to see if it helps with the flakies and all that kind of stuff. I had hoped it was gonna be here by the time that I filmed this, but it wasn't, and I really didn't wanna wait because I'm super excited. So anyway, maybe I'll just pop it on Instagram and when I use some of these other things and just happen to mention it in passing, if it works. So anyway, this is my mini haul video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, then please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when my videos go up. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.